Damn, dude. God damn. Damn, man. Damn. God damn. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Oh my. Why? I fuck. Why? 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh way. Oh, why? 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 And so, for whatever reason, as I was trying to start the stream, OBS was saying that it couldn't accept my thumbnail or whatever the crap it was saying, and distracted me from this beautiful move up. Damn, that's too freaking high, man. That is too high. Oh my God, that's too high. Oh no, 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 no. I have to buy high. No, no. Ah, damn. Ah, OBS, dude. I had to buy high on this one. Damn. Okay. Mm, mm. All right, let's see if we can get away with this. God, look at that move. Damn, this shit is still going. Well, I mean, we're getting away with it. We are definitely getting away with it. I would never recommend doing that, but hey, this thing was going. Ah, of course it stops at my. All right, so we got that first target here. Let's see if we can get that second one. Man, dude, out of all times for OBS to start malfunctioning, it chose this time. And as soon as I looked at the charts, I was like, damn, damn. But we got our first two targets hit. I mean, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. Because we're high, I'm gonna put my stop and break even. It's really no point to lose money on this. I can just re-enter, reposition if we do see a pullback. So there's no point losing money on this. But after we conclude this trade, we'll definitely talk about why the bulls are in control. I was in a thing with Bookmap Chat this morning, talking about the price action, talking about what can possibly happen, and it was no surprise to myself that what I said exactly happened. It's in the price action. It's literally on the chart, literally on the chart. So we'll talk about it after I get out of this position. But right now, I'm going to focus on managing it. This thing is literally on the chart. Could that be a potential right there? I mean, that would be a steep trend line. It definitely would be a steep one. Yeah, but we'll see if the market respects it. We'll see. I think I know a lot of people is going to be shorting here. This is the range where we was talking about this. Actually, my bad. Let me see. I don't even know if I can see that. This is the range right here where we saw a rejection. I think this is the second time we've seen a rejection, and we're coming right back up into this range. I think this is a trap for bears if they choose the short. You know what, man? Okay. Well, I'm in this long. I scaled into this position. Let's see if that was the right decision to make. Mm, I guess not. Okay. Guess not. But I think this is still a trap. Okay. Smith just messaged me talking about he's in this shore, baby. Okay, well, I stand corrected then. Definitely going to try for that. Definitely going to try for a retest up here. And I'm definitely going to do this. Okay. All right, so let's see. What's up, investors? E? All right, so you say you're looking at the ES. Hmm. We'll take a look at it in a second, for sure. ES, not okay. Nasdaq. All right. Hmm. All right. So here's come. This is gonna be the power struggle right here. This is gonna be the power struggle. The bears are trying to. The bears are trying to sell it at the bottom of this trend line. They're trying to use this opposite side of the support trend line as resistance, but we'll see if they're going to be successful. We'll see. All right, so we got at least one target hit. And I don't got to worry about no trailing drawdown or nothing, so I can ride in this and only be punished if I get my stops hit. But yeah, we'll talk about it. We'll look at the ES after we get done managing this trade. Actually, I'm looking at the ES right now. Um, hmm. Well, they found support at 670. We could get a retest of 670, but if we lose 660, then I mean, I highly doubt it because right now the ES, at least, it's like in a small little uptrend until it breaks down that low on the ES. You can see, at least for right now, it's in a small little uptrend right now. So I do think that so let's look and see what happens at 780. Usually the bears on the ES is really good at selling that retest of a breaking structure. They're really good at that. So just pay attention to what they do here. We did get a bounce at this support area, so that's kind of why I feel kind of conflicted with this. We could see a rejection from the bears at 80. They could find support back in this range, and then we can see a move higher. Or, I mean, if we see a break underneath this low right here at 670, then and 660, this low, that would officially break the trend. Officially. So let's see. All right, so let's see what they do at 880. I mean, they're playing around with it. So we'll see. All right, we're at 880. We'll see though. We'll see if the bears try to come in at that trend line. Yeah, I mean, since they found support here, I mean, it was highly likely that they was going to bounce. But I'm still waiting for the other shoe to drop for a small little rejection because they're retesting this breaker structure right here. Okay, so here they come right here. I don't think this is a reversal, but a rejection. So all right, so we got 2 targets hit, 3 targets hit. Shit, I probably have to close this thing in a minute because I'm about to hit the maximum daily profit on this account. Mm. All right, so this is what I'll do. Uh, I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take one more off here, so I can just leave one to run. Cause I'm up $2,500 right now. Uh, I got 600 unrealized. So I mean, if this comes back and stops me out, but um, I can only make about 4K in this account, and I'm already halfway there. So I'm just gonna, man, damn. All right. So, but actually, let me. All right. So I think I'm good on this. I can only make so right now I'm up. So I can only make 2K, so 946 would be all the way up here. I'm already up 800. Mm, mm, uh, all right. I guess we'll just let this contract ride. We'll just let it ride. I didn't want to close out the entire position, but we're just gonna let it ride. And after we get out of this position, we'll kind of talk about why I took this trade. And the trade that I took in pre-market for PPI, and why the longs were always destined to do exactly what it did today. Because the bears basically failed to do certain things. When you see, so this is kind of, I don't want to say it. So if you really remove your emotions away from the market and just kind of watch the price action and pay attention to the structure, you'll kind of see a lot of things in action. If you keep in mind that the market, there's always an objective that the market is trying to complete, I feel that that would elevate your trading in itself. The market is goal oriented. Yeah, we're prop traders. We come in, we gamble, yada yada, blah blah blah. But we got to also remember that there's people that actually put their money in this market, and those are the real people that's influencing it, and they always have an objective. If you're seeing one side of the market continuously failing to do something, the first thing that should come to your mind is, if it's not going up or down, then it's going to turn the opposite way. Because as like this morning, the bears were failing, and as they aggressively add on and aggressively sell, their buy stops are collecting above those highs. And all price has to do is touch those highs to get a stop run. And that's exactly what happened during the PPI. Exactly what happened. I was able to close out $965 in my funded account this morning, and both of them. So in situations like that, I kind of hated that. I mean, the consistency rule, like I said, it protects me from myself, because after I got out of that position, I wanted to get some more, but I have to wait until tomorrow to get some more money in those accounts. Which, I mean, that part sucks, but at the same time, it protects me. I'm not jumping back in, I'm not over trading, and I'm not potentially giving back my gains, which, let's be real, will definitely put me on tilt. So it's just protecting me from myself. Hmm. All right. So, I mean, if the Bears come in, I mean, the Bears can come in here. I mean, if we do see them hold right here, I mean, because you do got the support trend line that now that they're trying to use as resistance, we're at this area of potential resistance. We could see a rejection. We could see a rejection here. But now that I've noticed, now that I'm paying attention, we also have the market making a new little hidden trend line right there. So the structure tells me that we're going to continue to go up. But we'll see. We'll see if the bears can come in here. I mean, if we get price to pop back up above that trend line and we get a strong close, that might be RIP bears right there. And the ES is still in an uptrend as well. So actually, let's look at the ES real quick. The ES is still in an uptrend. All right, so they actually came into 885 to sell the retest. So they sold the retest here, but it's still in an uptrend on the ES. We're still making higher lows on the ES. Hey, what's up, Alfred? What's up? Were you, did you trade PPI this morning? Uh, did you catch the pump or did you try to short it? Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to tell everybody in the Think with Bookmap chat that, hey, the Bears are highly likely they're going to get squeezed out of their positions, but you know, a stubborn bear is going to be a stubborn bear. So honestly, kind of being on the opposite side of that, I can see how it's not exhausting, but you're kind of talking to a brick wall. I see that now. I see this is exactly what y'all guys must have felt when y'all was telling me that the shorts ain't going to where go long. Yeah, it's a brick wall. I get it. I get it. I get it. All right, so let's see. I mean, the ES don't necessarily lie. It doesn't necessarily lie. Right there, you got the bears trying to come in at that trend line. But the only thing that just gives me doubt in this trade is that, you know, we're coming from support. We're making higher lows. The bulls are holding. It's just that the bears are doing a good job making weak longs, not confident in their longs right now. But I want to be very clear. With the ES, you shouldn't even be in right now. If you're not in right here or somewhere in this range, you should not be in a trade with the ES right now. Let me make that very clear. If you're in a trade right now, if you got in at 680 long, I would highly recommend getting out of that trade. You're in the middle of this chart. You're literally in the middle. And the ES is not the NQ. You need at least 10 points to make $500 on one mini contract. That means that from right here, you have to hope, and we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up in 5 minutes. You would have to hope that if you're in at 80, you would have to hope that the bulls break through this potential area of resistance to get here. All right, so let's go back to the NQ. All right, so let's see how we can manage this position right here. All right, so we're back above the support trend line. That tells me that the bears are potentially going to get squeezed here. 925 has been acting as super freaking resistance, man. It's been acting as super resistance. Last night, I totally disregarded this area, and I found out. I definitely found out last night, and it came right back to the level that I was looking for in the NA meeting. And that's the one thing that like I said about the charts versus your heart versus your bias. With all this bullish momentum, you would have thought that the bulls would have kept on going, but they completely gave it up. So I think what a lot of people and myself is having a hard time or making that adjustment is from 2024's price action to 2025's price action, because we know in 2024 the bears did not have this sort of influence on the market. We didn't get drops like this when we were seeing a lot of bullish momentum. And I think that's what's tripping up a lot of people, is that now bears are actually getting their rejections from supply. You got Trump tariff news at 1 o'clock. All right, I'm gonna have to think about closing this pretty soon. Mm, mm. All right, so I have to think about closing this crap pretty soon. Mm. The session highs and lows. If we can get above 925 and find support, 22K is damn near guaranteed. Damn near guaranteed if they can get above 925 and find support. Mm, ES is. Mm, mm. All right, so let's see what they do here. They probably might see a stop run higher. I'm gonna look at my P and L. I gotta be mindful. You know what, man? I'll just yeah, put my target right here, and I'll just go into another account, and we'll make more money in another account, because I'm not gonna be babysitting my P and L, because I have to adhere to a consistency rule. No, yeah, Alfred, I totally agree. I think we get to 22.5 today, and then we see a rejection from there. 22K has been the objective since last week. Since last week, 22K has been the objective. There's definitely going to be sellers at that level. You can almost guarantee it. We may get 22.20, maybe, but 22K is definitely a hot spot. I would definitely take some partials off or take off the entire position at 22K for sure. I mean, I doubt it though. I doubt it. I doubt it. This is potentially looking like a potential head and shoulders pattern right here, but I doubt it. I think this is a trap because where the bear is going to go. I mean, if they do see a drop, you're going to have buyers here for sure and buyers here. There we go. Trap. I knew it. Trap. Trap city. Trap. Trap. All right. I'm going to take the profits here. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to get into a new account. We'll make more money in another account. But okay. We'll make more money in another account. But let's talk about what happened this morning. I think a lot of people were, especially if you were short, you was wondering what the hell happened. Don't ever let nobody tell you that data from previous sessions are not important. Don't ever allow anybody to convince you of such a fallacy. This support trend line that was so key and pivotal in yesterday's price action played a part in today's price action. We got that drop underneath that trend line, and the bulls popped it right back above it. Now, this is the setup right here. You got a strong low right here. You got a strong low. This is where the bears failed to continue to rotate price lower after they broke that trend line. And once they failed, you can see that they got stopped out of their positions. And here are the bears trying again and again and again and again and again and again. And as they tried all those times, we all know that as they're aggressively selling into an area without any follow through, they're generating liquidity for the bulls to tap into. Once I saw that the bulls or the bears were failing to break it underneath and keep it under 800, that's when I went long. I had my stop right here underneath this low, just in case we saw some foolishness. And I was able to capture this move right here. I got out right here at this little line right here for a $900 winner. Or it's 965, but it's close enough. Anyway, when I saw that the market dropped again right here, and it came right back down into this area right here, and then they failed again, that was RIP for the bears, because they've had plenty of opportunities to hold price underneath that support trend line, and they failed to do so each time. And so if it's not going to go down, then it's going to go up. What I will say is that a mistake that I made this morning is I gotta stop. I gotta stop fighting against these trend lines. I really don't know why I do it, but I do. As crazy as that sounds. Even though I know the power of a trend line now, I still fight against it. Don't know why. The first mistake that I made was that this trend line is too slanted. There's no real support here. None. There's no real support. And as soon as we got the break of that trend line, we got this stop run lower. But price came back into this previous area of support right here. And so once I saw that price tapped into this previous area of support, that's where y'all guys saw me went long. I was basically buying the retest here in this level right here and was able to capture this move back up into this range. Mm. The bulls ain't letting this shit go until we reach 22K. Bears can sell all they want. Bulls ain't letting this shit go. Bulls are not letting this go. All right, we coming up to that first TP. Okay, he said Trump hit up the Putin on the phone. Is that something that just got released or something? Hmm. I mean, shit. I wish I can just extend this a little bit without it. All right, so that's the first target. Hold on, what the hell just happened? Oh my. All right, I was in the wrong strategy. Let me actually delete this because I don't. Mm. Okay, well, I guess I logged in $1,000, but that was not the right strategy. Um, mm. Damn. All right. All right. Well, uh, let's see what happens here. Damn. Man. All right. All right. So I was able to scale into this. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. There we go. All right. So I'm up 3K right now. I'm about to probably have to babysit the PNL on this one too now. All right. Of course, I didn't want to hit that other target before I did this. Well, shit. Well, if you want to just keep giving me opportunities to make money, I'll take it. Mm. I mean, I'm not gonna buy it high though. Actually, if it keeps giving me opportunities to buy, shit, I'm buying into it. All right, so let's get that first target hit again. All right, so I still gotta babysit my P&L though. All right, so that's that first target. Probably have to take it off. All right, so this is what I'll do. I'll take one more off because, like I said, I gotta babysit my P&L, but I don't want to get out the position. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Shit, I mean, dude, uh, everybody should be making money with me today. We're getting good entries. I mean, even if you have one contract, we're getting good entries. Everybody should be making money with me today. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can get that last. I'm gonna probably put this down a little bit because that shit piss me off. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get that target hit. Uh, mm, mm. All right. Well, I'm gonna take this target too. I'm at 33, 36. I only got $600 more. So I'm gonna have to probably put this down actually. I only got $600 more I can make today. What a great problem to have, right? I can only make 600 more dollars today. All right. 970. Yeah, I'll just keep it. I'll just keep the last target right here. Mm. So far on stream, you made about what? Okay. All right. All right. So we got the bounce right there. Hmm. Nice. Alright. I can't do this. Please don't take my target. Please. I can't do that. I can't do it. I can't let it do it. I can't. Uh, but I will trail it though. All right. Man, I got to, man. I got to. Unfortunately, I got to. All right, man. That's it. That's it. All right. So that's another 3,600 in that account. So right now I'm up $7,200 on stream. Today is like another 11K day. 1, 2, 3, 5, about like 11K I made. Okay. Damn. Okay. Well, let's get into another account, make some more money. All right. Mm. All right, man. Man. All right. So now I'm starting to hate these consistency rules now. They're getting in the way. Oh man, they're getting in the freaking way right now. Look at that. No, 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 no. I deserve to still be in this. No, no, no. I'll be gambling if I buy this. I'll be gambling if I buy this. I would be gambling if I buy this because this thing wants to go to 22K. I'll be I'll be gambling if I buy this. I will be gambling if I buy this. Ah, ah. Mm. Right, let's see what they do here, man. Let's see what they do. Man, I'll be gambling if I buy this right here, man. Ah, man. Well, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. I think I'm up 30. I think I'm up 30K right now, though. I think I'm up 30K if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I think I'm up 30K right now. I'm up 28K right now. Should I take it or should I let it ride? Should I take it or should I let it ride? That's the question. I'm up like 30K right now. Should I take it or let it ride? All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm in 10 contracts. I'll take so that's a sell limit. So let me take this off. That's a sell limit. I'll take off 8 and I'll let 2 ride. That's a sell limit. I'll just take that off. All right. So I'm gonna just let 2 ride, but I'll lock in. I'll lock that in. Right now I'm up 50K in this account. I'm up 50K in this account, and I still got 6,000 of unrealized profits. All right. All right. Well, we'll see. Uh, we'll see. I'm not gonna play with that 22K mark because this shit might just super drop. This thing might drop because 22K has been this market's objective forever. So this is what I'll do. I'll put this down a little bit. I'm gonna still let this one ride, but as soon as I get these targets hit, actually, I'm just gonna put them together. Ain't no point doing that. I just might as well just put them together. Uh, as soon as these targets hit, uh, I'm moving my stop up to break even, dude. All right. As soon as these targets hit, I'm moving my stop up to break even. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. Ah, damn. Okay. I might be okay. Damn. I might be okay. I might have to do this anyway. I might have to do this anyway. Because ES is at that level. ES is at a strong area of resistance. You know what? Nah. We're gonna let it ride. Nah, we letting this shit ride. You're hitting that first target. We're sticking to the plan. Hit that first target, and then I'll move my stop up. Or we just go bust. I don't even know where that shit was at. 963 was my stop. Right there. They want 22K. They want 22K. Yo, congratulations on that, Investor Z. Yeah, the ES is definitely a better instrument to trade if you want a slower pace instrument. Technically sound, respect structure. It's just that you won't be getting moves like this on the Nasdaq in terms of the amount it moves and where it moves from. I mean, that's the only difference with the Nasdaq is that you can trade in the middle. That's the only difference. Come on, baby. Just hit 22K, baby. Come on. Just hit it. We all know that's what you want. But ES is at a level where it could get up. We could see a rejection at 102 or we could see a rejection at 105. That's why I'm kind of like, I mean, NQ, if you're just going to hit that target, just do it. Because I do expect a nasty drop. I do expect it. Mm. All right. We'll see if the gods will be merciful to me today for buying the top. Hmm. All right. Well, this is why we don't buy the top. All right. Okay. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Of course, typical NQ behavior. It's always the front run the first time. It's always the front run. Always the front run the first time. They never do it the first time. All right. So, yeah, I guess the ES is at an area. I mean, we did see that rejection at 102. Uh, yeah, we saw that rejection at 102. We'll probably come back down to 88, potentially maybe 90 or something like that. Probably 90. Maybe. We did see that rejection at 102 on the ES. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Don't torment me like that. Don't do that. Don't torment me like that. All right, man. I'm back in again. This could be a mistake, but it's looking like it's a mistake. I'm going to reduce this. I mean, either it holds or it folds here. I'm going to reduce my risk on this. Looks like I made another mistake here. Come on, Bulls. Finish the job. The job ain't finished. I ain't touched 22K. Y'all 4 points away. Y'all going to let the Bears stop y'all like that? 4 points away. Hmm. Okay. Well, all right. Like I said, I'm not going to give this too much room. I'm not going to give it too much room because I'm still kind of buying high here. It's obvious that the Bulls are, for whatever reason, losing steam for whatever reason. Missed the 22K mark by literally a couple of points, 3 points. Actually, let me look at this and be accurate. So the high right now is 96.50. All right. I mean, y'all gonna give me hope or what? Or is this a fake out? Is this a fake out? That's the question. Y'all 4 points away, man. Let me protect myself better than what I'm doing now, because this would not be a small loss if I'm wrong here. All right, baby, come on. We're back at break even. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on, baby, you can do it. What did we get to? Got to 93 again. All right. We got the 93 again. Yeah, y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. There's no point just having all like majority of this come off right here. All right. All right. I want all that shit to come off right there. Front run that front run. All right. Let's see if we can get it, man. Let's see if we can get that pop and potentially a stop run above 22K. But I mean, I wouldn't play around with this too much, man. I really wouldn't play around with this. 22K has definitely been an objective for a very long time. If I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of profit taking at these highs. Come on, Bulls. Don't fold here. Don't fold. You're almost there. You're almost at the objective. Don't fold. I appreciate that knife art. Took off at 920. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I agree. If we do see the Bulls get above 22K, yeah, I think 2020 is definitely in the cards for sure. For sure. I think that'll probably be as high as we get. The ES is, I mean, the only reason why I'm thinking that the Nasdaq is not going to get too much higher is that the ES is at an area where it can reject that as well. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, Nasdaq, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So we're back positive. We're back positive. I'm taking one more off. That, oh my God. Okay. All right. Because I really don't think we're going to get too much higher. I'm going to trail this. I mean, we're kind of high. I'm not going to really gamble with this. I'm going to, especially with this level right here, 2205. This is definitely a level where the market has been rejecting from. So I'm not going to play with it. But if we see a pop above this level, I'm readjusting my stop. If we see a pop, like a little stop run here. All right. Let's see what happens here. Damn. Yeah, I'm not gonna play around with it. I'm just gonna, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah. Shit, we made a lot of money today. We're gonna get in the sim. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. We're getting in the sim. Actually, let me make sure I cancel all my orders. Oh my god. 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 Damn it. And this is what happened in my Apex account right here. Shit. All right. I left a lingering order. All right, so let's see. Let's see what happens here. Nice. Nice. All right. Mm. All right, well, give me a second. I mean, I'm in the trade. I might as well go. I might as well run with it. I'm in the trade. Wow. And I got out of my other trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Does it still go up or do we see a move down? Okay. I'm getting back in the short. Mm. Wow. 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 All right. Wow. Well, another good example of the chart versus your heart. The charts win again. The charts win again. Damn. The charts win again. Mm. All right. All right. Okay. Mm, of course. I mean, it's not like, of course. I mean, why not just keep going up? Mm, okay. They're just gonna keep grinding up, I guess. Uh, mm, honestly, I doubt it though, but Okay, man. It's all right, man. I guess I should have learned my lesson the first time about these lingering orders in these accounts. But I guess I didn't. I didn't learn it the first time, apparently. And now it cost me. Now I got to make this money back in this account now. I mean, I don't even know why I'm moving my. I don't know why I did that. Like, that shit ain't about to. Probably about to come. I guess I could do this. I guess I could just do something like that. Because I think we at least get. I can only make about $1,500 in this account. So if I get $1,500, I'm about to close this out. But actually, I got to make $2,500 in this trade. So and that's if we get it. All right. So if I'm doing my math right, I need the market to at least come down to this level right here. And then I can close out the position. But right now, I'm kind of pissed. I let something like a rookie mistake, lingering orders. Originally, I wanted to go short here in the pre-market. I never planned to go short here in the New York session because I mean, if this happened in the pre-market, then we would have definitely got a pullback. But because it did not happen in the pre-market, my bias shifted and I forgot to close out. So I closed out of in my other accounts that short. I just forgot about this Tradeify account. Forgot that I had one here too. I thought I canceled it because I already made the money for the day. So I thought I already canceled it, but I guess I didn't. So if my math is right, all I need is the market to come here and I can get my money back and I can be done. But moving forward, I'm definitely going to make sure that all my accounts, all my lingering orders are canceled. Man, that's frustrating. Because I could have stayed in my other damn trade and made 3K in that one. Okay, so I think I think I did my math right because it's looking like it. Let's see if we get there. I want to see how much it is when it gets there. Mm. Yeah, I hope so. Knife art, hopefully. I hope so. All right. I think yeah. Okay. So let me not play with this because this has a consistency rule in it too. Nice. And NQ, this is why we love you. You do things like this. Mm. And just imagine if I was still in that original position. Damn, still in that position. Thing popped up all the way to 50. This thing might pop up again to 50. Mm. Okay. Yeah. All right. This thing looking like it wants to pop from this area. I mean, it's looking like it. Don't know if we'll actually get it, but it does look like it wants to pop. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't mind flipping long, but unfortunately, my heart's in this, so I'm dedicating my heart to this short. Yeah. All right. Yeah. It's looking like it's holding strong here, man. Damn. Mm, yeah. All right. Okay. They're definitely playing around this level. I mean, if the Bulls hold this, I mean, we're gonna get a pop back up, but mm, I would. They're holding it. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get pop right here, but mm, yeah, okay. Man, we'll see here, man. We'll see. Yeah, one mistake causes a domino effect, man. One mistake causes a domino effect. The market is like, dude, you know I'm about to flip long. You know I'm about to flip long. You know I'm about to push here. What are you waiting for? Well, my heart's in it, baby. That's why. I mean, if you can find it in your heart to not do what you're about to do, if you can find it in your heart, I've dedicated my heart to this short to get my money back. But I see it. I see it. I see it. Ah, mm, my heart has already been dedicated already. Mm. I mean, the ES looks like that's a double top. on the ES, but this is obviously support. I mean, I'm not gonna. You can't delude yourself on the ES. You really can't. This is super support. That's super support. The Bears would. I mean, in order for the Bears to be successful on the ES, they would have to break. They would have to break this, and that's not how the ES trades. Not when they found support like that. They would have to break. They would have to break down, but then I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they would have to go higher to go lower. Damn it, man. Thank you. You can't delude yourself on the ES, but you can definitely do it on the Nasdaq for sure. Damn. Man, is that a double top on the ES? Is that a potential double top on the ES? This is a good risk to reward short. I mean, if I wasn't already in this Nasdaq trade, I would probably try for it, but put your stop like literally 2 points above this high, risk to reward short. Not saying that it's going to work. I'm just saying the risk to reward is really good here. Okay. All right. That's what I like seeing. That's what I like to see. Come on, just hit that target so I can get my money back and be done. Oh, come on, dude. I'm not accepting anything less. I'm not going to accept it. I'll take the loss before I do that. That's a clean double top there on the Nasdaq. I mean, if it breaks above this, then we're going higher. That's a clean double top. That means that anything above this would be a breaker structure. Are you sure? Mm. Yeah, I mean, this one's gonna be tough, man. I mean, the Bulls are gonna be aggressive here. Uh, they're gonna be aggressive here. You gotta dedicate your hearts if you're in a short. You're gonna get these pops. Yeah, Bulls are, yeah. Yeah, they definitely are today. They definitely are. Honestly, I wouldn't have gone short. I just hate it, man. I just hate that such a stupid small little mistake. I just did that earlier this week. Just having a lingering order on the charts, not making sure that the all the orders are canceled. I would not be in this short. I wouldn't even be looking for a short today. What I'm hoping on is that the bear is short at this previous area of resistance, which honestly, uh, is man. That's what I'm hoping on. That's what I'm betting on right now. But Under normal circumstances, I would not be in this short. The stress is not it's not even worth it, but I gotta get this money back. So on a 5 minute. Yeah, I was thinking that too. I'm looking at the ES as well. I don't know if you let me see if I can see this. But this is support. I mean, I can't be delusional on the ES. Uh I mean, if the Bears don't hold it off here, then I mean, we're gonna see a break structure here. If they don't hold it off, probably 15 at the most. If the Bears don't hold it, well, the Bulls definitely found support here. So, uh, what the Bears got to do to be successful on the ES is break. Hold on. They would have to break down, hold right here, and then knock it down. That's the only way that the Bears are successful there. But if the ES is looking like it's about to break out, then the Nasdaq is right behind it. Yeah, this is what I'm hoping on, that they find resistance here for a small little pullback, back down to potentially. Well, honestly, I think there may be buyers at 2205, 2202. If we do see a pullback, uh at 22K will probably be a good area to come back in long. Yeah, probably like right here, 2205 will probably be a great area to come back in long if we see it, if we get a move down. But it's looking like the Bulls are trying to hold this thing and break structure to the upside. All right. Man, as soon as if I add to this thing short, that's exactly when this thing will pop. Oh man, there's a reason why I'm short gain weight. I would not be short for real. This is not one of those days to be short. Unless you got a clean, pristine entry and you're a sniper for real. Today is not a day to be short, for sure. I definitely agree with you, man. But there is definitely a reason why I'm short. Get my money back from a mistake that was made earlier. A mistake was made earlier. Um, and it'll just be foolish to try to go long there. So I'm dedicating my heart for a pullback short. And I'm just trying to get my money back, honestly. That's all I want. I'm not going to try to go for like a real move. I just want my money back so I can just be done for today. That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want, NQ. I'm bargaining with you. Just give me what I want. Let's see. Let's see if she'll give it to me. If she's going to be nasty here and bounce at the 50 EMA. Let's see if she'll be nasty to me. All right. So far, so good. I just needed to hit my target so I can get my money back. Don't be nasty to me, NQ. Don't be nasty to me. Okay. If they pop it above this thing, I mean, this position is basically cooked, man. Basically cooked at this point. If they don't, if the Bears don't show some aggression here, some follow through. I mean, it's already one thing that the Bulls are finding support in this area right here. Like I said, honestly, I would be long here, but or yeah, would I be long? Yeah. Uh, I would have tried for a long, and I mean, obviously, I would have got some targets hit, but yeah. Well, all right. Let me see if it'll let me do it. I mean, as soon as I like, dude, as soon as I try to hedge this a little bit, I feel like it's gonna fall. I feel like if I hedge into this position, it's going to make it worse because I'll be conflicted about. Yeah, it'll just make it worse mentally because I would obviously want my hedge to work, but then I'm still rooting for my short to work. So, mm, I guess I just have to accept the outcome of this damn trade then. But I don't want to be in this position no more. And if I put my stop in, I put my stop to break even, I feel like, man, it's gonna touch it and then run to my targets. So I'm not moving my stop. I'm not moving anything. I'm just gonna let this trade play out. Come on, Nasdaq, don't be nasty to me. 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 Do not be nasty to me. All right, hit that target, boo. That's all I need. Okay, let me do this slowly. Let me do this slowly, cause I She can. Mm, Come on. Come on. Don't be nasty to me. Um, okay. Cool. All right. I got my money back. All right. Let me make sure all my orders are freaking canceled this time. All right. All right. So I got my money back in this account. I can't make more than 1,500 in this account. I've officially, dude, bears are just so weak. Bears are so freaking weak. Oh my God. Bears are weak. These stressful shorts will age the hell out of you, man. God damn. Yeah, man. Like, man, stressful ass short, dude. Stressful short. Yeah, again, wait. If you just joined in, I made the same mistake that I made with the Apex account. I left a lingering order on my trade day account or Tradeify account. I thought I canceled all my orders because I canceled my orders in my MFF account once I made the money for the consistency. So I canceled all my orders on that chart, and I forgot to cancel the order on this Tradeify account. And my original thesis was that if we saw 22K in the pre-market, well, it's highly likely that we was going to see a drop down. But because we got that short at 925 in the pre-market, what I should have did was cut that trade because obviously it was going to slingshot up. And I just forgot to do it in that account. And so I had to get my money back once obviously I got limited in and it shot up and super stopped me out. I had to get my money back. What I will say is that I the energy was there, but y'all guys saw me take a breath. I will say that that's growth. I could have went super tilt there, but I took a step back. I calmed down. I looked at the charts, and I took a bet that the bulls or the bears would short a prior area of resistance, and this is kind of why I hate bears at times, is because they'll get into a previous area of resistance and still struggle and still struggle. That's why I hate trading on the short side at times sometimes. They struggle in supply. I mean, I'm pretty sure we will see a drop. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we're going to get a move down here. You know what? Mm. Mm. If I trade it on tilt right now, okay, man. Because maybe what I should do is just wait for the long. Let's see if they go long here. And just like the nasty NQ always stopping me out. All right, so let's see. Let's see what they do here. At this breaker structure here. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be bulls and buyers here. Now, if the Bears come out of freaking nowhere and they flush this thing after they struggled, I'm going. Dude, they struggled to get my damn target. They freaking struggled to get there. Uh, Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Obviously not where I actually want to get in at, but if the Bears come in now after all that crap they just pulled, I'm not gonna add right here. I'm not adding right here. If the Bears flush this level after all that crap they just pulled, they actually could just flush this level and then the Nasdaq freaking stops me. All right, we'll see what happens here. You know what? All right, Bears. All right, Bears. All right. All right. So I mean, if the Bears can hold this, then we're going back down to about 969, 970. If they can hold here, they can hold the rotation lower, but we'll see. I'm not gonna move my stops. Honestly, what I probably do is actually one domino effect leads into something else. Okay. Yeah. All right. Nice. Okay. So apparently I should have stayed in short. Apparently. Apparently I should have stayed in short. I see the errors of my ways now in Q. Mm. Let's see. Yeah, I agree with you, Irish Wolf. Yeah, yeah. I should have just stayed in short. Should have stayed in short. Mm. All right. No. I didn't necessarily trust the Bears here. I did not trust the Bears at all. I figured that shit, this was going to be a mercy target and that we would probably get this one at the most. But I mean, shit. I didn't trust the Bears at all. I mean, how can you? I just hate the fact that it just made it feel, and I'm gonna strongly emphasize on that word feel, like the Bears was not in control. Mm, so let's see if we'll see if we can shit. You know what? I mean, because obviously this thing is going down. Actually, I do think that if we get into this area, we probably will see a bounce. But for right now, especially if they reject off of 2205, we're going to see. This thing will stop lagging every time. Okay. All right. So let's see if the Bears will hold this. Let's see if they'll hold it here. Man, shit, y'all fucking better. 28. Of course. I mean, of course. All right. So let's, of course. Of course. All right. Of course. I highly doubt that we'll get that far. I mean, if they find support here at 2205, then this thing is going to go higher. But If the bears can hold that level, then we should come back into this range. We should. I doubt that. I mean, with this support trend line in the way, I highly doubt that we get. Let me actually put this up a little bit more. So I highly doubt that we see a break here. We probably see them buy in this area, honestly. Ah, shit. It will be them buying the retest here. It would be them buying the retest here in this range. We got our breaker structure right here. Breaker structure to the upside right there. We have a move up. So it's highly likely that if price comes back down here, the bulls will try to buy that. Don't know if they'll be successful, but they'll definitely try to buy. I mean, you still got the support trend line coming up as well. So we'll see what happens here. You know what? Honestly, I'm willing to take it. I'm gonna let this contract run a little bit. If I'm wrong, I'll just lose $500, especially if I get these two targets, or if I get this target hit. This is all I care about. I'm gonna let this one run. I'll just lose the $500. Yeah. I mean, just one domino. Just one domino, dude. Just one. Just one domino. Knocked everything else down. And we was perfect today, man. What the hell happened, man? God damn. Ah, shit. You really never know if you're on the right side. All right. Yeah, I mean, gangway, this is unfortunately the effects of trading on tilt. Unfortunately. Logic no longer matters. I'm trading with my heart right now. Unfortunately. I'm trading with my heart. I'm confident that the Bears will probably hold this, but I just don't know how far they'll hold it. I mean that's what I'm quote unquote gambling on. I don't know how far. I'm making the assumption that they're going to want to at least come back into this range. Buyers are definitely in this range for sure to buy this retest. You see a move like this, you get a gift of them a price coming back into this range, you're buying it. So I do expect for buyers to just show back up. Uh, I just don't know. Mm, but I think, yeah, I mean, today was definitely a master class of the difference between emotional trading and planned out trading. Having a having a sense of direction, knowing where you want to get in at, knowing where you want to get out at. So we brought what, two, three accounts up to 4K today. And as soon as I started emotionally trading, that's when everything went downhill. Mm. Yeah. 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 I'm not saying you lying, gain weight. That is the reality here, but we locked in now. We locked in. Especially since the Bears rejected this right here. So we're locked in. They need to hold this though. They need to hold that. And we should see price get back into this range. Like I said, this right here is this is definitely a runner target. I mean, where else is price going to go? I mean, if it keeps going down, I mean, it's going to keep going. So shit. I'm front running an area of potential. Let me front run it a little bit more. Let me put it at 33. All right, there you go. Front running a little bit more. I just want to get these targets hit so I can get my money back. And yeah, fuck that, man. No, they coming back down here. Fuck that. But all right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta hop in this meeting. I mean, y'all know where my target's at. You know where my stop's at. Either I'm gonna be happy or I'm gonna be sad. If I do get stopped out of this one, I mean, y'all guys know I'm just gonna get the money back. But um, I just kind of hate, and this is kind of why when I say that this is what I still gotta work on. It's when I go tilt, it's like, man, it's like everything is out the window. It's give me what I want or liquidate my account. I mean, it's just that simple with me. So, but all right, guys, we'll definitely come back this evening, and we'll definitely find some ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.